Oh, Wolverine came back. We've been actually working 2 weeks.
3 weeks more.
3 weeks.
At least 3
3
weeks.
solid weeks. So
Every
we
day.
had disc issue, multiple disc issues. So it started out, came in, antalgic lean. I knew there was a disc involved. He already knew that. Had surgery on his lower back, came in for treatment. A little hesitant on getting adjusted. Just because of the bracing and the amount of pain someone's in. So we actually went through a sequencing of types of treatment. First started out, with activator and working with that, but we went and got x-rays, MRI, had you referred to have injections to help relax the area while we're doing the treatment. And this is where he's at. So the regenerative powers here of Wolverine are coming back. He couldn't do it by himself.
We go from this to this. So,
quite a bit of change in there, and sometimes as a chiropractor you have to incorporate other providers in with your treatment to help people and assist people. He was in so much pain, there was no way I could even get him adjusted to the extent we did. So I'm going to share with you what we're doing with him in his lower back, because there's multiple areas of herniation in there. So all of us providers together have been pretty great in getting this far. He's standing up. You can see a little bit of a lean, but he was pretty severe. You can see the antalgic lean that a patient takes when there's disc herniation, or if the disc is injured or inflamed in any way. So let's have you go face down, Wolverine. Some of you may have seen the awesome, Knives Out of the Hand, I think it was, on Facebook. Did you see it, Kelly?
No, I haven't seen it yet.
Okay, so significant change. So the leg difference way down. He's only about a ½ inch off. When he was coming in here, I think we were up 1.5 inches difference.
Almost 2 inches.
Yeah, I remember that. Just amazing to see that. So here you have where the legs go, and they're moving better. I couldn't even do this day one, even week one, even week two.
Yeah.
Not able to do this. Can you raise this leg without bending the knee? Good. Back down. Other one. Back down. Significant change there as well.
Oh, yeah.
Let's have you lay on the right side. So I'm going to have the camera kind of zone, if you can zone in right on his low back for me. I mean, what a difference from yesterday.
Oh yeah. Oh man, it's amazing. A little tight.
So we're going to go real gentle. I'm right at 4 and 5 on him right here. Help it open up. I'm not doing any type of, there it is. I'm going to go a little bit higher. Good. On your back. He wasn't even able to turn. We weren't.
No. It took like 10 minutes to just roll over.
Yeah, I needed like a crane or something or a lift to kind of move you around. But I understand that kind of back pain is so debilitating. When you go to a chiropractor, it's not always a Harry Potter moment where you wave your wand and it disappears right away. Breath in for me. And out. There it is.
Yeah.
Good job. All right, we're going to have you go into a sitting position for me, and then I'll have you go around that way for me. I mean, this is in the last couple days.
Yep.
And you can see how he's sitting more erect, posture is better. You know, we have some work in the head area to do, but he's had consistent adjusting pretty much for the last 3 weeks, along with some other therapies we decided to do with him. Let's see you stand. Better. Can you touch your toes? Go slow, go slow. When you come back up, that's quick. I want you to drop weight into the knees.
Okay.
Just because your knees can act as a hinge instead of your low back.
Right.
It takes that stress off. So use the knees more. That's gonna help. Ice while I'm gone.
Yep.
I'm on vacation, so you're not allowed to get injured at all.
I'm not allowed to do anything.
So you can get together with Captain America and who's some of the other Avengers on there?
Well, Iron Man, but I don't know.
Iron Man.
I don't know if he's one of them though. He might be the bad guy. Who knows?
All right, thank you for watching. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic, and Lacey will be watching.